Hello, and thanks for joining this video on the steps of ceramic coating a brand new vehicle at Jetstream Detailing. This Blazer EV came to us from our clients. They just picked it up brand new from the dealership, and they wanted to bring it over to get the swirls and scratches removed and apply a high quality ceramic coating to protect the outside for years to come. The first step in this process is to clean and decontaminate the exterior. As you can see, we're foaming the vehicle to remove all dirt and grime before we can start working on the paint. During this process, we're going to clean the wheels and tires, the engine bay, and inside the door jambs also. Now we're moving on to decontaminating the paint, first with a chemical and then with a clay bar to remove all bonded contaminants. Once the decontamination portion is finished, we're going to move on to paint correction. Paint correction is removing any swirls, scratches, and staining that might be on the paint. Even brand new vehicles come with these. By using a dual action polisher and the proper combination of compounds and polishes, we're going to remove any swirls and scratches in this paint and prep it for ceramic coating. The ceramic coating we're applying is a Carpro system. We're using Carpro Dquartz for a base coat, and then 2 layers of Cquartz Professional as a top coat. Here we are starting to apply the base coat Dquartz to the full exterior of the vehicle. It's going to be applied to all the paint, plastics, headlights, taillights, rims, more or less the full exterior. Once the ceramic coating is applied, it takes a certain amount of time for it to flash and bond to the surface before we can wipe it off. If we wipe it off too soon, you'll remove too much of the coating, and if we wait too long, it will actually stain the exterior and require heavy compounding to remove. Wiping off and leveling the coating is one of the most important parts to make sure you have a perfect gloss finish at the end without any high spots. With proper application, you shouldn't see any high spots or lines as shown here. And this is after our first coat of Dquartz as a base coat. Now that Dquartz has been applied and cured, we're going to start applying the top coat, which we're using Cquartz Professional. Cquartz Professional is going to give an additional layer of gloss and shine to the exterior, provide extreme hydrophobic properties, making it easy to clean, and protect the paint from swirls and scratches for many years to come. You can see here, once the ceramic coating is applied, it's going to start bonding to the clear coat of the vehicle. So you can see the lines and bubbles starting to appear and a little bit of fogginess behind. It's important with a professional coating that it is applied in a climate controlled shop. It can be very finicky wiping it off at the right time. You need the proper temperature and the proper moisture content. Once it's coated, we infrared cure the whole exterior of the vehicle, and then we get this finished product. You can see the enhanced gloss and shine in this vehicle's finished without any swirls or scratches. The ceramic coating is going to make it super easy to wash this Blazer EV for many years to come and protect it from swirls and scratches and staining. The other nice thing with the ceramic coating is that you don't have to apply any wax or polishes, just wash and dry. Thanks for joining this video and walking through the process of a ceramic coating. I look forward to seeing you again on future videos.